Hi, my name is Mike Schrader.
Tyler Layton.
Keith Bozarth.
My name is Ty Miller.
Kyle Langbin.
Brandon Kuhn.
Hi, I'm Carmen Estefano.
My name's Jose Rivera.
Bob McBride. I was in the United States Navy from 1976 to 1983.
I served in the Army in the 4th Infantry Division.
I served 5 years in the Army.
United States Navy.
United States Marine Corps.
United States Coast Guard Reserves.
United States Army, Vietnam veteran.
The United States Army from 2004 to 2008.
The United States Marine Corps from 2012 to 2015.
The United States Army class of 79.
Veterans Day is a reminder that freedom isn't free and that so many sacrifice so that we can enjoy our freedom.
I have a lot of vets in my family, something we're pretty proud of.
What Veterans Day means to me is we have to treat people with respect.
What Veterans Day means to me is that little sliver of time in my life and everybody's life that was in, that we did something for the greater good and we gave back to our country.
Veterans Day for me is all about freedom. We need to be free.
To me, Veterans Day is a day to remember the brotherhood and sisterhood between us veterans.
Veterans Day is about honoring our veterans who've given up some of their freedom so we could all have all of ours.
I'm so proud of our veterans and patriotic team members here at MarineMax. Thank you all for your service.
Together, we are all united.